Hi Amrita.
Hi Shiva, how are you?
Yeah, I am doing great. How many classes you had today?
I didn't count yet. Sorry. I really
So
didn't
many,
count.
so
There,
many classes.
no, I was actually busy with some other work. So whenever I had this reminder, I went, and I started taking class. I didn't see how many I had. So how was your weekend? What did you do all day?
So all day I've been working on my assignment, on my internship work and freelancing work, and then posting on social media different content. Yeah, I was busy with all those.
If I'm not wrong, you said you had an interview with some famous person
Yeah, that was
previously.
postponed to tomorrow, 16th.
That is postponed.
That is postponed to tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Okay, tomorrow. That's cool. So are you excited and ready because you say he's a very famous person and you're
Yeah,
really looking forward to.
I really admire that. I admire him.
Okay. So are you excited or nervous? What are your feelings right now?
Both, it's mixed.
That's cool. Firstly, I want to acknowledge this. I'm glad to see that you're back in your old form and you're not Hulk today. So that's cool.
Yeah, even morning I had one more session with Divyam. I
Oh,
think
that's cool.
he's the growth manager of Clappingo, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. So how was the session? Did you guys enjoy?
Yeah, it was a great topic to discuss. It was about a robbery, and I really enjoyed it.
The bank one?
Yeah, bank one.
Okay.
It was really unexpected. Like I had seen the content on the session materials, but still the way he started was very fun.
Okay. So how did he start? Describe.
Uh, he gave me a choice whether to choose from bank manager and uh, a employee
Okay.
who wants to crack a job,
All right.
and I chose bank manager.
All right.
And then story started with me being the bank manager, and suddenly the robbers break inside the bank and
Break into is correct.
break into the bank, and they started robbing, and what I will do as a manager, those kind of questions which were totally unexpected and was not there in session materials.
Oh, okay. That's fine. So did you I hope you had a great time.
Yeah, it was a great time, and yeah, it was a great session.
That's cool. That's cool. So what are your goals next? What are you planning? You're doing good with your podcast and everything. So what next?
So my greatest plan, which I announced on Independence Day, was I want to create one of India's smartest education platform, which won't differentiate anyone based on any religion, caste, or anything, and will provide free education, whichever education I was not taught during my school days or college days, which are very essential. For example, financial skills or any other skills, those kind of skills I will find a way to teach for free.
Okay.
And yeah, like I want to be able to be financially free, as well as I want to set the limit I have to earn. After that I will focus all my life to this platform.
That's cool. That's cool. And you're an inspiration, man. Seriously. Every session I have to admire you more and more. That is nice. That is cool. So how are you planning to achieve that goal? It's a
uh,
very big project, I should say. Yes.
yeah, whenever I get some goal, I quickly act on that, or else I will be like, it will be a normalized state. So I
Yeah.
immediately purchased a domain named as phoneschool.in. Like
Okay.
phone plus school, I am just giving those kind of feel, and I want to see how to make it financially stable,
Okay.
and how to proceed with it. I don't have exact plan, but I started somewhere.
That's cool. That's important, right? Well begun is half done.
Yeah, and I want to make it for Indians,
That is
because
very important.
when I had conversation with the foreigners, what I noticed is they are like they know what they want to study at an early age, and they are fearless, almost fearless. They pursue their passion.
Yeah.
In India, we first seek for financial independence, and then we blame for the education system for not giving us what we want, and we can't achieve our passion. We blame that. Instead of that, I want to do something for India, which even I pass after a generation will remember that I had done something for them. I want to do something like that.
Okay. I want to do something that, people will remember me by, even when I am not here.
Yeah. Okay.
Remember
I
me by. I
remember me
know
by.
you got emotional there. I could understand. That's all right. So, what are those things that you think are needed for us? You said the education system has not provided us, and we are blaming this system and financial situation and all these. So how are you exactly going to tackle this? Like, will you teach them financial independence, or how to pick their goal, or what exactly?
I perfectly. I didn't make a plan how to what exactly I'm going to teach. I will work on that. And apart from that, I think skills like how to manage your finance, and what to do with the knowledge that you are getting. For example, if you learn this formula, where exactly it is being implemented. I think even those kind of things are not taught well in school and colleges, and only tier 1 colleges are teaching those kind of practical things, but not poor colleges, like tier 3 cities and all are not focusing on that. I
Yeah.
want to help anyone and everyone who is looking to pursue their passion to the fullest, and also make a financial stability over that.
That's cool. That's cool. So, why do you think this is happening? Is it because, you said we are blaming everybody for whatever we are today? Why is it actually happening? Is it because the parents are the one who are deciding, or is it us who are not able to take a proper decision and finally end up blaming them and us and everybody?
It's mixture of all, because I don't blame parents, because even they might have faced similar things from their parents or something. Like when I was in a like constant loop of finishing my education and getting into a job because of this lockdown. If this lockdown didn't happen, I would be in a different path. So during this lockdown, I invested in a lot of courses, mentors, and I was fortunate enough to gain those knowledge from them. And then I realized why this kind of practical knowledge is not being taught in schools and colleges. So that's when I made my mind to do this, and I want to stand out by providing it for free, so that no one can tell it's not affordable or something.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah, that is there. So, nowadays, as you said, we were not aware of all this, but now we are aware. And, some very great people like you are trying to get this change into the world. So, I'm sure there are people like you, but how far do you think this idea will be changed into a reality? We all dream big, I know, but not just about you. There are people like you who have this idea. How far do you think we can implement it in our country,
It
and how far will
completely
it be
depends on
successful?
it completely depends on us, I guess. Like whoever the leaders are, they need to constantly work on improving themselves, because it's finally how we convince others. So I think I should constantly start talking about it, and make others understand what kind of vision I am seeing by talking about it, and by showing what is happening and everything.
Okay, what vision I have, not I'm seeing the vision I have, and or you can say how I want to convert my dreams into reality.
How I want to convert my dreams into reality.
Yeah, or what
And
vision I have.
I am planning to gain as much skills, knowledge as possible before the end of December 2021, and from 2022 I will seriously start implementing this project.
Okay, that's nice. So, okay, apart from this project, you might have had many goals and many, things. What or how would you handle if you had failed to implement or, achieve that one particular goal?
I don't exactly believe in failing in any dreams. I think it just get postponed to some more days or something like that. Until we give up or stop believing that we can achieve those, I don't think we can ever fail to achieve any of goals. I just write down everything in my book in form of some nice art, that by December 2021 I will do this, and I have so many weird goals which if someone here, they will see that, they will say that you are crazy, it's not achievable. Those
Hmm.
kind of goals I have.
Please let us know first. Tell me, I'm really interested. What are those unrealistic goals you have?
Yeah, definitely I will tell you. I just have a map about that. Okay, I have to find it because I have a big book.
Okay. You have anything like, do you remember if any? Do share with us.
Yeah, like I want, initially my goals were all like for me, like it's all about selfish. But now I realize that if I have a big goal for a cause, wealth will follow its way.
Yeah, that is true.
And there are many such examples like Elon Musk, and they have a great vision, and people buy their vision.
Exactly. Yeah. So this generational change, because of this pandemic, the changes which we have predicted, maybe 10 years after this period have actually, come now. They are almost done. So how do you think the globalization or the development will be affected? Would it be as rapid as it has started, or will there be a decline?
I think that uh, everyone will either start failing massively or start rising massively. In these
Yeah.
two, anyone will happen, because I noticed some of my friends are depressed to such an extent, or okay, I didn't see, I don't know anyone opposite of that. And
Okay.
yeah,
But yeah, in general, we have come across people who are either at high or either at the lowest in their life.
yeah,
Let it be in
exactly.
any perspective. That's cool. That's cool. But do you think we'll ever be normal?
Right now I don't have any belief in that. And
Okay.
honestly, except this pandemic is harming people, apart from that I am enjoying pandemic because of the lockdown and the opportunities I am getting.
Exactly. That is true. That is
If
true.
I was in college, I won't get this kind of chance to do so many things.
We would be busy writing assignments and, submitting our record books and, getting tensed about our attendance. This would be our goal then.
And one thing what I did was I like paid someone to write my assignment, and I focused on
Been there, done
building
that.
skill.
Yeah, I have done that too. Mostly, in engineering colleges, we save, maybe we'll just give it to our juniors or some friends and, bribe them with a chocolate and we would get our
Exactly.
work done. Okay. So, what are the goals that you have already achieved?
I
You have a
have
big book of goals. Yeah. So, I know they have changed and they're different, but anything that you have thought and, you
so
achieved it.
I'm an author of 2 books. I just thought, yeah, before I die, I want to write one book. But right now, I'm author of 2 books. Apart from that, I am an original composer of one song, which is called
Okay.
as Juda. And
Okay.
apart from that, uh, I built my, oh no, that is not an ideal goal, but I built my studio from
Really?
scratch. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. The like what the for learning and for the podcast or for music wise or everything combined?
So everything combined.
Wow, that's awesome.
Even this.
Okay, that's nice.
So this is my complete room. It has even only missing thing was internet, and even that is solved.
Yes, yes, you mentioned that you had an issue, but now that is no more. That's cool. So we can actually, you know, connect to the world and rule the world in between this
Exactly.
among the four worlds.
Only this much is required to like.
True, true, true.
So
Yeah.
I am seeing this as a mini office of mine where I
That's
practice.
how Amazon and everything started, right? They had
Exactly.
garages, we have rooms. That's it.
So this is
Okay.
my garage right now.
It's a mini office.
Yeah.
That's cool. So we're almost at the end of our session. We might get disconnected soon. And so your pronunciation here and there had an issue, especially the word honest.
Honest.
Honestly, you started, which had an H on honestly something like that. And I'm so glad to see you back as in your original form when compared to our previous session. You are enjoying the sessions, you're enjoying the learning process. And please stay cheerful like this and keep inspiring us. And
Yeah,
I'm
and
telling you, big fan. I am an admirer already. You were saying
yeah.
something. Sorry.
No. Even my friends noticed after joining Clappingo session, they noticed some changes in me. Like they are
What
telling
is it?
in every video,